Alright, in this video also we are doing a somewhat of a warm-up set kind of a mix where I'll be showing you how I'm selecting tracks or the kind of music which I'll be playing in clubs and kind of music which is much more appreciated in the clubs. So I'll be mixing in a couple of songs, like 4-5 songs, and you'll be seeing me using hot cues and using the equalizers and the way how you have to use equalizers is something which you have to keep practicing and you'll get a hang of it. Or you can just join our courses so that you'll have a better in-depth understanding of what these do and then you can use it according to your wish. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go.
Kiss me hard before you go.
All right. So we got to talk about what I did before in the previous song called Mamacita. So there was a point where again I did not really realize there was a slight mistake or like slight error. I started it a phrase before because I don't really remember all the songs, man. Come on, I have like in this just playlist which I'm playing from. It's the club set which I play usually. It has 213 songs. So please give me a break. I don't know all the songs. So yeah. So anyways, so coming back to this, what I did was I just jumped to. We have something called beat jump in all the DJ console. So what you can do is you can just go to the beat jump option and select what options you want. Like these are 16 beats left and right, and these are 32 beats. And this is a page option where I can again switch. This is one beat, like one beat, like I'm jumping one beat. And this is like 16 beats, so I choose a 16 beat option, and I just jumped four bars back so that I can align it back again together. Because if you see over here, what was happening was if I play this song now, yeah, so at the right point, but again I used the right point. Using at the right point is very important. So yeah, so I just jumped 4 bars back, so it did not make a lot of difference, but my transition was a lot more smoother. Even though there was a little bit clash in the vocal section, but it still felt like a mashup kind of a thing. So it worked out pretty well for everyone involved. And again, also when you're playing it live, these kind of small errors or mistakes, like no one really gives a fuck, man. Honestly, it's about the kind of music you play. If the music is banging, and like these are the kind of music, as you can see, as I'm progressing, the energy is nicely flowing. There's a flow in the mix. That is very important. There has to be a flow in the mix. You can't play one nice banger song and then the other song you're like, oh, like very sad kind of song. The energy of the song should be maintained. The flow of your set should be maintained. It should be nice rising kind of a feel, or like a maintained energy wise. All right, so the more you practice, and again how you can get better at this, the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Simple as that. So keep practicing and practicing, and yeah, practicing.